वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू। मेरे सामने नेहा यादव हैं जो कि मानेसर से हैं, हरियाणा से। इनका पीएनबी क्रेडिट ऑफिसर का इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहा हूं। आप लोग मॉक इंटरव्यू सुने। मॉक ऑलरेडी कल से यानी 14 तारीख से स्टार्ट है। कल मेरे एक हरियाणा के बच्चे का, एक महाराष्ट्र के बच्चे का, आज यूपी मेरठ की स्टूडेंट का हुआ इंटरव्यू। मैं उनका रिव्यू डालता जा रहा हूं। कल मैंने एक पीडीएफ बनाया था क्वेश्चन का, जिसका स्क्रीनशॉट कम्युनिटी में डाला है, और आज व्हाट्सएप का स्क्रीनशॉट डाला है। आप उसको देखें। मेरा नंबर है 7503235358। मुझसे कांटेक्ट करें आगे की क्लासेस और मॉक्स के लिए। ओके बेटा, मे आई कम इन सर से स्टार्ट करो।
May I come in, sir?
यस प्लीज कम।
Good afternoon, sir.
वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून, प्लीज हैव ए सिट।
Thank you, sir.
ओके नेहा, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए बेटा।
Sir, my name is Neha Yadav. I am from Manesar, Gurugram. I have completed my BCom honors from University of Delhi, and then I completed my MBA in specialization finance and HR from Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur. And currently, I am pursuing my PhD from the same university in finance specialization. I am enthusiastic and hardworking girl, looking forward to use my academic skills and knowledge for credit officer role in bank.
You are a highly qualified girl. You are married also?
Yes, sir.
I am asking question related to your intro and all. Firstly, give me, you are a highly qualified girl. Then after your MBA finance, why you are not moving towards PhD or as a professor or as a CA, chartered accountant? Why you are coming in the banking sector?
Sir, as a girl from a rural background, I have always looked up for a job in bank because bank gives a very highly respectful and a good status in society. So I am moving towards bank job.
Okay, tell me something about Central Bank of India.
So my
Oh,
interview
means
for PNB.
PNB, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक। एक्चुअली क्रेडिट ऑफिसर का सेंट्रल बैंक का भी चल रहा है, पीएनबी का भी चल रहा है ना।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, पीएनबी के बारे में आप क्या जानती हैं, बताइए बेटा।
Sir, PNB Bank is the second largest PSU in India. It was established in the year 1894 by Lala Lajpat Rai ji. Currently, its headquarters is in New Delhi. Also, PNB is providing its services in different sectors like retail banking, corporate banking, now digital banking also, and it has subsidiaries also in insurance sector and other sectors also.
Okay, your graduation is in BCom.
Yes, sir. BCom honors.
Then you have completed MBA finance.
Yes, sir.
Currently, what you are doing in your academics?
Sir, I am pursuing my PhD.
PhD. So, why these higher qualifications and you are coming to the bank, beta? Once again, same question, but again, you are doing so much. You're in good academics. Then you go for the other job ना।
Sir,
वो
actually,
पूछेंगे तुमसे,
I'm
थोड़ा
doing
परेशान
PhD.
करेंगे तुमको इसलिए। या
I'm doing PhD because I am interested in doing research. I love
You
to
can-
explore things.
you have add this thing
Learning.
also, Neha. You will all add this thing also, sir. As I am preparing for competitive exams, side by side, I want to improve my academics also, because I have an opportunity to learn something about the academics and try to utilize this knowledge in the banking industry. कैसा लगा ये सुन के? मैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के साथ अपने एकेडमिक्स को भी अच्छा करना चाहता हूँ। बाकी तुम रिसर्च वगैरह जो बोल रही हो सही बोल रही हो। मैं सब्जेक्ट पे आऊँगा। हस्बैंड क्या करते हैं?
Sir, he is fire and safety engineer in a company in Manesar only.
Okay, when you got married?
Sir, in year 2022 December.
Okay, and in which year you have graduated? Because this job is graduation based or something MBA based?
Sir, I have graduated in year 2020. Then I have a gap of 2 years. After that, I started doing my MBA in year 2022.
Okay, so till now you are not selected. Last year also you have given the PNB interview or not?
No, sir. No, sir. This is my first time I have given bank exam. After that, this is my first time for interview.
Okay, okay. As you are a BCom student, what is banking reconciliation statement?
So, bank reconciliation statement is prepared by bank to check the differences in cash. Sometimes there is a mismatch in cash paid and cash received. So, bank prepare this statement to match the incoming and outflow and inflow of cash.
Okay, what is debt equity ratio?
So debt equity ratio shows that what is the proportion of debt in proportion to equity in a firm. More debt to equity ratio shows that the firm has incorporated more debt, which is a dangerous situation. Firm can face liquidity issues in future.
As a central bank officer, means as a PNB credit officer, which are the things you will be मीन्स किन चीज़ों का आप ध्यान देंगी ऑफिस वर्क आवर्स में, वर्किंग आवर्स में किन बातों का ध्यान देंगी आप कि क्या क्या गलतियां ना हो और किन चीज़ों को अच्छे से करेंगी?
सर एज ए क्रेडिट ऑफिसर मैं ये देखूंगी कि जो भी लोन एप्लीकेशंस आ रही है मैं उनको अच्छे से एनालाइज करूं, जो बोरोवर है उसकी क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस को चेक करूं, उसके पिछले रिकॉर्ड्स को चेक करूं और उसकी जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स है, उसके जो फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स है उनको चेक करके ही लोन के प्रोसेस को आगे बढ़ाऊं।
व्हाट इज
और ये
सिबिल स्कोर?
कि
व्हाट इज सिबिल स्कोर? अगर वो बीच में इंटरप्ट करेंगे तो रुक जाना। व्हाट इज सिबिल स्कोर?
Sir, CIBIL score is a credit rating score generally ranging from 300 to 900, and a credit score of 750 plus is considered good.
SMA 0, SMA 1, SMA 2?
Sir, SMA are special mention accounts. SMA 0 is an loan or advances which is going towards NPA. It means that the payment has not received from 1 to 30 days.
Good, very good. Tell me something about ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company.
Sir, asset reconstruction companies are established to provide lenders some relief, like when under SARFAESI Act, the assets are seized and taken over by SARFAESI, then they hand over these assets to assets reconstruction company by taking some amount. Then asset reconstruction companies sell off those assets to some other buyer and recover the loan amount.
What is letter of acceptance?
Sorry sir.
Letter of undertaking?
So letter of undertaking is generally
आई कांटेक्ट
for international
मेरे से
transactions.
रखेंगे, आई कांटेक्ट मेरे से इधर उधर नहीं।
Letter of undertaking generally used for international trade. When we are doing international trade, the bank of home country send it to the other bank in foreign country to provide goods to the borrower.
Letter of guarantee?
So letter of guarantee is generally provided by bank to assure the lender that borrower will pay the money. Or
Hypothecation, pledge and mortgage?
Sir, these are type of collateral. Hypothecation and pledge are generally for movable assets, whereas mortgage is used for immovable assets. Hypothecation means the charge of the assets will lie with the borrower only. He will use those assets. In case of default, the bank can take them. But in pledge, the possession of the asset lies with the bank only, like gold and some securities.
थोड़ा रेट ऑफ स्पीच धीरे रखेंगे, थोड़ा आराम आराम से बोलेंगे। हमें वंदे भारत नहीं चलाना है। थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी बोलती हो, आपको ऐसा लगता भी होगा। थोड़ा आराम से बोलेंगे। अगला क्वेश्चन श्योर आपसे होगा। ओके, यू हैव इफ वी विल पोस्टेड यू एनीवेयर इन इंडिया, यू आर ए मैरिड गर्ल, देन हाउ विल यू मैनेज?
Sir, I am ready to relocate anywhere in India. There is no issue because when I was filling up the form, I know it's a pan-India job and I can be relocated anywhere, so I am ready for this.
Okay. What is your quality? Why we select you?
Sir, as you know, I have done MBA in finance and also BCom honors, so my subject area is very strong in which can fit the credit officer role. So I think I am fit to the role.
Okay, okay. Who is the currently Chief Economic Advisor of India? V. Anant Nageshwaran. Which two banks are merged with PNB?
Sir, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank.
Confidently बोलना है, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India.
Okay.
What is बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ? ये हरियाणा से स्टार्ट हुआ था ना पहले?
Yes.
ये बैंक से रिलेटेड न्यूज में भी रहता है, इसके बारे में बताइए।
So it was started in year 2015 on 22nd April by PM Narendra Modi ji. this scheme was generally launched to increase the sex ratio in the country, because the sex ratio was going very down. Girls were very low in comparison to boys, so this scheme was started so that girls ratio can increase and so on.
Okay, okay. Some more question related to scheme, then some banking related terms. Okay, it's a very popular beta Sukanya Samriddhi scheme. If you will join as a banker,
Yes.
you have know about this also.
Yes, sir. Sukanya Samriddhi scheme was also launched by PM Narendra Modi ji. It is a scheme in which account can be opened for a girl child less than age of 10 years, and it gives interest of 8.2%, in which deposits are generally raising from 250 per annum to 1,50,000 per annum, and withdrawal can be done at the age of 18 years for educational purpose,
Okay.
and at the age of 21 for marriage purpose.
What is Negotiable Instrument Act?
So it was launched in 1881 for some instrument that can be used for payments.
Example
Right.
of NI Act?
So like certificate of deposits,
सबसे पहले तो चेक और डीडी बोलेंगे ना,
promissory
इजी
note.
चेक, डिमांड ड्राफ्ट, बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज,
Yes, sir. Bills of exchange, demand draft, checks,
करंट पे कुछ आते
promissory
हैं.
notes.
एग्जाम 4 सुना था इधर रिसेंट में, मैं उसका सरनेम
Yes.
बोल रहा हूँ, कोई शुक्ला अंतरिक्ष में गया था. एग्जाम 4 कुछ सुना था रिसेंटली, यूपी का कोई बंदा इंडिया का अंतरिक्ष में गया था, वापस भी आ गया, सुना ही नहीं था इसके बारे में.
No.
अरे बाबा रे, करंट अफेयर से अवेयर रहो बेटा. इंडिया ने किस ऑपरेशन के अंतर्गत अभी जो वॉर हो रहा था वहां से लोगों को निकाला? ऑपरेशन सिंधु.
पाकिस्तान वाला ऑपरेशन.
वो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर है, वो इंडिया ने हमला, वो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अलग है. ऑपरेशन सिंधु में इंडिया ने अभी जो वॉर हो रहा था, वॉर सीज फायर यूएस ने रुकवाया वहां से, ठीक है. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर क्या है, ऑपरेशन सिंधु क्या है. उसके बाद बिहार का इलेक्शन न्यूज़ में आ रहा है, इलेक्शन कमीशन क्यों न्यूज़ में है. पंजाब से रिलेटेड करंट अफेयर्स, सेंटर से रिलेटेड करंट अफेयर्स, टैरिफ से रिलेटेड. आप कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट हैं, बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड क्या होता है?
So balance of payment and balance of trade are international terms. Balance of trade means when goods and services are exchanged in international borders, whereas balance of payments is related to receipts and payments. Balance of payments is broader than balance of trade.
Good, very good. Now I'm going to give feedback to my student. Okay, formal mock is over. My number is 7503235358 for PNB and other credit officer or RRB, IBPS, SBI plus regulatory body. Super 50 is a Gurukul. Here we take care of the students and result is our priority. Okay, you can check. There is each and every state success story is there by the blessings of Ma Saraswati. धन्यवाद.